Professor Osinbajo, Professor Soludo has welcomed the number 2 citizen of Anambra State, a great man of Nigeria.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, Governor of Anambra State, Professor Soludo, Excellency Deputy Governor, the Right Honorable Speaker of the Anambra State House of Assembly, my entourage from the APC, friends and colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It really is a very special pleasure to be here today. A detour from my assignment here today, but it's impossible for me to come to Anambra State and not pay a visit to my dear friend and brother, Professor Soludo. Not just because he's governor, but because for many years he has been, first of all, at some point, I was even his lawyer. But he has paid in full the fees for my, by his very good advice to me at various times. I've sought Professor Soludo's advice on many economic matters well before he became one of the members of the Presidential Economic Advisory Council. I've very frequently sought his advice, and done everything possible to get as much from his wealth of knowledge and experience as possible. So Professor Soludo is someone who I think you're a great asset to our country, and I'm sure that Anambra State will do very well. And from what we're hearing already, it's clear that Anambra State will do great things under your governorship. I think on the matter of security, and this is a matter, of course, that is crucial, there's no question at all that security is the first order of business. And I must say that we're prepared as the federal government to cooperate with you in whatever way to ensure that there is law and order here in Anambra as it is across the country. One of the important steps that the president is taking is a re-engineering of the security architecture with a view to being more effective on the ground. And I'm sure that we'll begin to see the fruits of that, especially with the acquisition of more platforms, mobile platforms, air platforms, and even marine platforms that can be useful. And of course, technology that will be useful in resolving some of the problems we have. So we're looking forward, of course, to working with you even closer. And I believe that all will be well with our country, all will be well with Anambra State. Everyone is looking to Anambra State. This is one of the major hubs of industry, especially small business. I think that this is one place where we expect to see very, very significant contributions to the national economy. And that you are here, I think, at this time is auspicious. So we hope and pray that all will be well, that you will get all the support you need to achieve your dreams as governor of this state. And I also pray that this state will prosper, that there will be joy and peace and security in this state. Thank you very much for the very kind welcome and for the courtesies all the time. Thank you. God bless you.
Yes.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.